An early morning boat ride.
Are you scared, Jason?
Because you dumb cow. Someone shot my brother, and I think it was your crazy, tweaked out sister.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Cheryl Blossom inspired tutorial from Riverdale. I hope you guys enjoy it. I worked super hard on it, so let's just get right on into the video. Alright guys, so first I'm putting my wig cap on. I look actually ridiculous. Tell me I don't look like Elmer Fudd. My mom was laughing, I was talking to her. And now I'm going to put my red wig on so I could look like Cheryl Blossom. It was really hard to put on, and as you could see, I do not know how to use a wig at all. Like, the hairline was awful. Like, actually awful. So first I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to conceal them and, you know, kind of take them away with the glue stick, do that trick. Honestly, this is the second time in my life I'm doing this, so I really don't know how to do it at all. Please don't judge me. Now I'm going to set it with my translucent powder. I use the Coty Airspun powder, and this powder is actually amazing. Like, if you're looking for a really good translucent powder just for setting your whole entire face, I definitely recommend this one. It's like $4 at the drugstore. And see, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Like, are you supposed to powder it after you put glue on it? Like, I don't know if that makes sense to me. And then I put more glue on. I tried so hard, but like, you could still see my eyebrows in the end. You guys will see. Now I'm taking my dark circle eraser, and I actually don't have a super light foundation shade, so I'm just using this for now. And I believe it's in the shade Fair. Wait, I actually look like an old grandpa. I can't even look at myself seriously. So now I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to blend it out. I can't even take myself seriously. Now I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and that's in the shade Vanilla, and I'm just going to conceal everywhere. Especially over those brows, because they are super dark. And I'm also going to take my Tarte Concealer, and that's in the shade Light, and I'm going to try and go over them. Like I said, like, my eyebrows did not conceal at all, so I'm trying to get them super concealed, and it's really not working. At some point, I just kind of gave up, so. Now I'm going back to my Coty Airspun powder, and I'm just going to set over my entire face and my brows. Now I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take the color, I want to say it's Henna. I'm honestly not even sure, but I could leave it down below for you guys. And I'm just going to use it for my eyebrows, just to get them super red so it can match my bright red hair. Honestly though, like, if you look at the end, my brows didn't come out that bad. Even though they weren't that concealed, like, the red went over it perfectly, so it didn't even look that bad in the end. Now I'm going to go into my Lorac Pro, I think it's the first palette, the black one, and I'm going to take the white shade, and I'm just going to lighten up my face a little bit more, because I feel like I wasn't as white as I'd like to be. Now I'm taking my Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette, and I'm going to take the cool toned contour shade, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones. Cheryl is not bronze, like, in the slightest, so I'm just going to carve out my face a little bit and give myself some dimension. Now I'm going to clean it up with the same white shade, and I'm just going to go right under my contour just to kind of sharpen up the line. And now I'm going to contour my nose, and this part gets a little tricky because we don't have the same nose at all, so I tried my absolute hardest. Like, I don't transform at all into characters. That's not my specialty. I'm just kind of doing this for fun and entertainment purposes, so I tried my hardest to mimic her nose shade as much as I possibly could. And then when that's done, I just kind of blend it out with my finger because I don't like to move it around too much with a brush. So I just kind of use the warmth of my finger to like blend it out. Now I'm going to take the highlighter. Cheryl doesn't really highlight her face, so I just did a little bit just to bring forward the parts of my face I highlighted. And now I'm going to go back to the Lorac palette, and I'm going to go onto my eyes, and I'm going to take a light taupe shade and go through the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going to take a dark shade, and I'm going to go in the outer corner and then in the crease a little bit. Cheryl just has a neutral smoky eye all the time. It's very like simple, very achievable. And she wings it out a little bit just to lift her eyes up. So I kind of wing it out towards the end of my brow. And then I just take those two same colors and I'm going to put it under my lash line just to give it a little bit more dimension down there. Now I'm going to take my IBY brown eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to put a line across my upper lash line. Yes, I stretch my eyes. I know how bad that is. Trust me. It's just so hard to get a good line with a pencil eyeliner. And now I'm just going to smudge it out with my brush a little bit. Then I'm going to take my Kiss Lashes eyelash curler, the same one I use in every single video, and I'm just going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup mascara. It's the Ubaim one. I think that's how it's called. I have trouble pronouncing it every single time. And I'm just going to put it on my lashes. It's super good at lengthening, which I really like because Cheryl has big, beautiful lashes. Now I'm going to take my MAC lipstick in the shade Russian Red, and I'm just going to put it on my lips. And I'm going to take my NARS lipstick, and I'm going to use it as a lip liner. Now I'm taking my Buxom lip gloss. It's in a red shade. I could leave the shade down below if you'd like. And guys, that is the finished look.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Ooh, honey.
Alright guys, now we're going to go on to the outfit. My beautiful bright red sweater is from Express. My skirt is actually from boohoo.com. And my boots are from Charlotte Russe. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which may or may not be a Betty Cooper inspired tutorial. So